So if you've stumbled across this video, then you've come to try and figure out how to work on your Jeep Grand Cherokee. Let me grab the part that we're going to be talking about today. So in my hand, I have two throttle body position sensors. So I'm going to go over the symptoms and the solution for this problem. So first off, one of the biggest problems with when this goes out, it can cause the Jeep to shift very sporadically. Basically meaning you'll be going down the road, and instead of shifting from third to fourth, it'll stay in third, or it'll downshift to second when you should really be in third. It does kind of weird stuff. And then in the RPMs, like you get to a certain RPM like 1200 and it starts spitting and cracking and cutting out, or you might have two dead spots at like 12 or 3 or wherever. I had a dead spot around 1200, and then I had another dead spot right at like 25. So basically getting on the interstate was hell in this thing. It would be trying to downshift to second when it really needed to just downshift to third. And then once I got up to speed, it would be in fourth gear, and I would just barely give it some gas to go up a hill, and all of a sudden it would downshift to third, and it would stay in third forever and never switch. And the dead spots kind of really cause problems, because it would get to the spots that I had learned. Sorry, there was a mosquito. I just nibbed him out of the air. But when it would get to the dead spots, it would cause the Jeep to cut out, and sometimes it would cut out so bad that it would actually cut off. So the way that I also diagnosed this problem is I went online and I went to Amazon and got one of the ELM 327s, which is an OBD2 style connector, which is right here underneath the dash. And all you're gonna do is plug that bad boy in like so, and it's gonna light up. Once it lights up, you're gonna turn your ignition on. It's gonna do its thing, booty booty boo, all that crap. And on your cell phone, there's gonna be an app called Car Scanner right here. And when you open this, sorry, I was already in it, it's going to show you disconnected, and you can hit connect, and then the little box down there will start talking to this little box, and it will tell you whatever code you're bringing up. Okay, long story short, basically all you have to do is, once you've hooked it up and it tells you the codes. So these are my old codes. I don't know if y'all see that down there flashing, but it's connected with the app now. So these are old codes from the old TPS unit. This is the old one right here. And oh no, actually I lied to you guys. These are actually two new ones that were bad. The one that was originally on here, I do believe, is somewhere within this mess. But this is the code that you'll get, is P0122. Throttle body position, or throttle position, switch accelerator pedal position. And then you'll get the P0123, which is, basically the same thing. It's low and high output. So then once you've changed, or once you've decided to get one, so I bought these from a secondhand dealer. I do believe they were on Amazon. So, well, this one was on Amazon, and this one was eBay. And both of these actually worked for, I don't know, I'd say about a week or so before they quit. So then I ended up just going to a used parts house, which is the craziest part, and I ended up getting this used throttle body position sensor right here. It's literally held in with 2 T20 bolts, one there and one there. You just disconnect this by lifting up on this tab here and wiggling this out, so you can actually grab it with a finger there and a finger there and lift with this finger and kind of do the shimmy and get it off that way. So, and then once it's off, you know, you've got your oh, let me get that out of the way. You've got your 2 T20s on the back side. And then once you've got that out of there, on the back side of the throttle body position sensor, oh, don't want to whack the truck, there's this little cutout here, and there's just a flat bar in there that's basically like a key, but it's flat like that. And you're gonna line this sucker up on there and then kind of align it with the holes, put your screws back in, and once you do that, you're gonna open your app, your diagnostics tool here. Sorry, I'm having to do this one-handed, so I'm actually recording this with my GoPro. But once you've got all this open and your app is connected, I've disconnected mine, you hit diagnostic trouble codes and it will bring it up and it'll automatically find your vehicle. If not, then you can enter it. And see, like, these are all my old codes. Oh wait, this one. And see, right now I got a ignition cool code, which I've actually fixed, so there's a new cool on here. The oxygen sensor, you know, that's a reoccurring code because I have not fixed that, and I'm probably not going to for a while. But right now my biggest problem is this shift solenoid. The Jeep is not wanting to downshift to first, and once it does go to first, it doesn't want to come out of first. And reverse is completely gone, so it snapped the reverse snap ring in the transmission. So I'm looking for a 42 RE transmission, or possibly I might just take this one out and rebuild it. I mean, really, it's just nothing but time, a little bit of money and time. So, but if you guys are here looking to figure out what the throttle body position sensor here is, you know, it's not a hard thing. Seriously, if you've got 5 minutes of your time, this is it. But I'm gonna tell you from experience, do not buy junk parts from Amazon or eBay. Now, I normally don't do this. I usually go through Rock Auto, or if it's something I have to get locally, I'll go through O'Reilly's, or I will go to a scrapyard and get OEM parts. And in my case, that's what ended up fixing the solution. Was I went to the scrapyard and ended up getting a throttle body position sensor, and it was literally given to me. So that one costed me nothing. Those two in total costed me like 15 bucks. So there you go. Don't be afraid. Grab some tools, have at it. It's the only way you learn. And you know, Jeep already stands for just empty every pocket. Hope this helps.